In today's competitive business world, a company's reputation can make or break its success. So, which companies are leading the pack in 2023 when it comes to reputation? Amazon has become synonymous with online shopping and quick delivery. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through hassle-free returns and reliable shipping. Amazon's innovative products like Alexa and Kindle have revolutionized the tech industry. They've also prioritized sustainability by reducing packaging waste and investing in renewable energy. Despite facing criticism over working conditions, Amazon continues to dominate the e-commerce market. Google has revolutionized the way we access information and connect with people worldwide. Their constant innovation, from self-driving cars to AI-powered assistants, keeps them at the forefront of technology. Google's commitment to sustainability and corporate social responsibility is commendable. They foster a positive work culture that values employee well-being and diversity. Apple is renowned for its high-quality products and intuitive user experience. Their sleek and minimalistic branding approach creates an aesthetic elegance for their devices. Apple's marketing strategy and commitment to customer satisfaction set them apart. Tesla's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy has earned them a stellar reputation. Their innovative electric cars and solar panels push technological boundaries. Tesla's focus on sustainability aligns with consumers' increasing environmental concerns. Despite challenges, Tesla sold over 1 million cars globally in 2022. Facebook remains one of the most popular social media platforms despite privacy controversies. Their efforts to combat misinformation and fake news are noteworthy. Facebook's advertising model helps businesses reach specific audiences effectively. IBM's focus on innovation and research has kept them ahead of the competition for over a century. Their AI system, Watson, revolutionizes data analysis and decision-making processes. IBM's commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon emissions enhances their reputation. Microsoft's user-friendly software and high-quality hardware make them a household name. Their commitment to social responsibility, including pledging to be carbon negative by 2030, is commendable. Walmart's focus on environmental sustainability and community support strengthens their reputation. Their dedication to diversity and inclusion creates a valued and respected workplace. LinkedIn connects professionals across industries, offering valuable networking opportunities. Their easy-to-use interface and features like job alerts and learning courses benefit users and companies alike. Johnson & Johnson's commitment to ethical business practices and healthcare innovation sets a high standard. These companies inspire us with their innovative ideas and unwavering commitment to excellence.